Hey, food lovers and kitchen wizards. Ever wondered how some people make cooking look effortless, futuristic, and downright fun? Today, we're diving into 5 smartest Amazon kitchen gadgets to level up your cooking game. From mind blowing smart tools to clever gadgets you didn't even know existed.
Number 1. Undershelf basket. Unused shelf space often goes wasted in cabinets, while storage feels limited everywhere else in the kitchen. Undershelf basket clips beneath existing shelves to create extra storage without drilling or installation changes. It adds a sliding compartment for lightweight items like towels, packets, or small tools. This helps maximize vertical space that normally stays empty. Instead of overcrowding main shelves, extra storage appears instantly underneath them, making kitchen organization more efficient without changing.
Number 2, Shiniwan cabinet shelf. Cabinets often feel deep and inefficient when items stack on top of each other and become difficult to access. Shine Cabinet Shelf adds an elevated layer that improves visibility and separates storage into clearer levels. It helps organize plates, containers, and kitchen essentials in a more structured way. Design increases usable space without expanding cabinet size. Number 3. Silos Cabinet Organizer. Messy cabinets often slow down cooking when similar items are scattered and nothing stays grouped properly inside storage. Silo's Cabinet Organizer introduces structured sections that divide space into clear zones for better organization. It improves visibility so items can be found quickly without rearranging everything. Strong Frame supports regular kitchen use while keeping storage stable. Instead of dealing with mixed clutter, everything follows a simple system that makes cabinet space more predictable and easier to manage during daily routine. Number 4, Silo's Cabinet Organizer. Messy cabinets often slow down cooking when similar items are scattered and nothing stays grouped properly inside storage. Silo's Cabinet Organizer introduces structured sections that divide space into clear zones for better organization. It improves visibility so items can be found quickly without rearranging everything. Strong Frame supports regular kitchen use while keeping storage stable. Instead of dealing with mixed clutter, everything follows a simple system that makes cabinet space more predictable and easier to manage. Number 5. LifeWit Lid Organizer. Lids for pots and pans often create clutter because they don't stack properly and take up unnecessary cabinet space. LifeWit Lid Organizer holds each lid in an upright position so everything stays separated and easy to access. This prevents scratching and reduces mess inside storage areas. Small design helps maximize cabinet efficiency without wasting vertical space.
Number 1. Luzio Mixing Bowl. Mixing ingredients can get messy when bowls slide around or feel too small for the job. Luzio Mixing Bowl gives your prep work a more controlled space for baking, cooking, and everyday recipes. It helps keep ingredients together while making stirring and combining feel easier. Picture preparing batter or salad without chasing spills across the counter. Number 2. Chef Pasta Maker. Making pasta by hand can feel complicated when rolling, shaping, and cutting take too much effort. Chef Pasta Maker helps turn dough into fresh pasta with a more guided process. It makes homemade meals feel more creative without needing a full professional setup. Fresh noodles can go from a weekend idea to something easier to prepare in your own kitchen. That kind of upgrade makes dinner feel more personal. Once pasta becomes easier, cheese preparation becomes the next flavor booster. Number 3. New Star Cheese Grater. Grating cheese by hand can become tiring when the tool feels slow or messy. New Star Cheese Grater helps shred cheese more efficiently for pasta, salads, tacos, and baked dishes. It keeps prep moving faster while reducing the hassle of uneven pieces. A fresh topping becomes easier to add right before serving. That small step can make everyday meals taste more finished. Better grating. Number 4. ICO Dough Mixer. Working dough by hand can be tiring, especially when recipes need consistent mixing. ICO Dough Mixer helps bring flour, water, and ingredients together in a more controlled way. It supports bread, pizza, pastry, and homemade baking routines with less mess. Dough prep starts feeling smoother when the mixing process is not fighting against you. that makes baking feel more approachable during busy days. Once dough becomes easier, a stand mixer can take kitchen prep even further. Number 5. Keto Art Stand Mixer. Whipping, kneading, and mixing can take over your kitchen time when everything is done manually. Keto Art Stand Mixer gives recipes more steady power while keeping your hands free for other prep. It helps with cakes, bread dough, frosting, and everyday baking tasks. Cooking feels more organized when the mixer handles repeated motions for you.